morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are discussing in public examination 31 question. So probability 8 marks question. So it is very important question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, spade and queen of diamonds. They are asking 6 questions, sir. So here, first of all, we know what is the deck of cards. A deck of cards always, so total deck of cards 52 cards. A deck of 52 cards. These 52 cards divide the 4 types. So one is the spade, and second is the club, and third is the heart, and the fourth one is the diamonds. Here, spade and club cards are black cards, and heart and diamonds is the red cards. So 52 by 4 equal to 13 cards. Each set have 13 cards. A spade have ace card 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a jack, queen, king. Jack, queen, king are the face cards. These are the face cards. So also clubs of 13 cards, heart also 13 cards, diamond also 13 cards. It is the set of deck of 52 cards. But they are asking, first question is the king of red color. So probability event equal to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So total outcomes means sample space. So it is denoted the S. So favorable outcomes is event E. So P of E equal to number of E by number of S. Number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So first question, king of red color. So here the red color is heart and diamonds. So how many kings in red? 2 kings are there. So favorable outcomes is 2. Total outcomes 52. In 2 table, 2 ones are and 2 26 are. The king of red color probability getting 1 by 26. Now we are going to second question. Face cards. Face card, it is also P of E equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So pick a face cards. How many face cards is there in a deck? Face cards are, so in this set I have 3 face cards. So total 4 sets is there. So 3 into 4. So 12 face cards is there. So total possible outcomes are, well, total outcomes deck of cards have 52. So 52. It is also, so 6 are, so 26 are, so 3 are, so 13 are. So face card probability is 3 by 13. And now we are going to red face card. Already face cards are 12 cards is there, but they are asking red face cards, red and black also. So 2 sets is there. So every set have 3 face cards is there. So here 2 red face cards are asking. So red face cards are 6 red face cards are there. So 6 by. So total outcomes is 52. So 3 are, so 26 are. So red face card probability is 3 by 26. They are asking the jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. The jack of hearts also probability is P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So jack of hearts, where is the hearts? So these also red cards. In a heart, the jack is only one is there. So favorable outcome is 1, total outcomes is 52. So the jack of hearts probability is 1 by 52. And fifth one is spade. Spade card probability. So spade card probability, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Here, how many spades is there? The black part is the spade. They have 13 cards is there. So 13 by favorable outcomes is 13. Total outcomes is 52. So 13 ones are 13 fours are. So spade card probability is 1 by 4. So it is also 4 cards. So spade is the opposite 1 by 4. So simply we are saying that 1 by 4. And final is the queen of diamonds. The probability P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So queen of diamonds. Diamond is the fourth part. So here queens are only one queen is there. So favorable outcome is 1, total outcome is 52. So queen of diamonds is 1 by 52. It is very important sum. So the first is the king of red color is 1 by 26 probability, and the face part is 3 by 13, and the face part is 3 by 26. The jack of heart is 1 by 52, and spade card probability 1 by 4, and the queen of diamonds is 1 by 52. Thank you.